What is the relationship between car EMI and SIP? Financial expert Mr. Ramalingam will give his insights now.
In 2022, Merck car marketing head Santosh Iyer made a statement. Mutual fund SIPs are eating into luxury car sales. Can you believe that? That means what he says, I am not able to sell my cars because HNI investors committed SIP, so they don't have cash flow to buy a car, pay EMI. Remember, this was told by a luxury car company owner, not told by a retail car company owner, because HNIs they are very clear, they want to do their SIP and accumulate money and then go and buy car, whereas like non-HNIs, means not in the luxury car segment, in the normal car segment, people are not worrying about SIP. They are simply, the moment they have 20% down payment, they go for it, apply for car loan, every month they pay EMI. That's a lot of difference between accumulating enough money through SIP and then buying a car versus no SIP, simply I'll pay a 20% down payment and then pay EMI every month. There's a lot of difference. What's the right way to do it? What's the difference in numbers? Let us see today. Let us say the car on road price is 25 lakhs, down payment is 5 lakhs, loan amount taken is 20 lakhs, rate of interest is 9.5%, tenure is 5 years, EMI is 42,000, right? That's a huge outgo. Instead of that, current market price is 25 lakhs, 5 years from now the price could increase, let us say, to 36 lakhs, lump sum amount what you have is 5 lakhs, you put it in a equity mutual fund, combination of equity and debt, do an SIP, end of 5 years you will be able to buy it. Or you are sacrificing the first 5 years and then buying it now. This way you will have less burden on you. This is one of the important visual depiction of how SIP works. Someone with an SIP, they can become rich and wealthy. Someone without SIP, and if they are spending more unknowingly on these kind of luxury items, obviously his wealth gets deteriorated over a period of time. Car is basically a depreciating asset. Now, in the same way, like when you are buying a car is basically a depreciating asset. Now let us see the calculation here. I'm taking a moderate example here. Car 15 lakhs, down payment 5 lakhs, total loan amount 10 lakhs, 8% interest rate. So 60 months total EMI is 20,000. End of the loan, what will happen, right? You have paid closely to 20 lakhs actually. Down payment, loan amount, interest, repairs and maintenance put together, you have paid close to 20 lakhs is what you have paid. End of the 5 years, what is the actual value you have is 7.5 lakhs. The car resale value will be 7.5 lakhs. Do you have to do that? So instead of, do you have to choose a depreciating asset like car or an appreciating asset like mutual fund SIP? I'll leave it to you.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.